Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Butter Devil Dogs butt plug. So let's get started. So this is the Devil Dog butt plug itself. As you can see, it's a very interesting design here and a very unique butt plug. It has an impressive size too. The XXL butt plug is made for the demanding user who is ready for the next step, so this is not recommended for beginners and is only recommended for advanced users and experts in anal play. The total length is 25.9 centimeters, the insertion depth is 23.8 centimeters, the minimum diameter is 4.7 centimeters and the maximum diameter is 9.9 centimeters. The tapering shaft is ribbed for extra sensation with every centimeter. It's also firm yet slightly flexible towards the top and is made of a soft, smooth silicone material, so it's very comfortable to wear during use. It also features a suction cup at the bottom just here, so you can place it and enjoy hands-free play as well. Because it has a soft round top, insertion is simple and comfortable as well, and we recommend to use a fisting lubricant in combination with this butt plug. We can recommend the Butter Fist Gel. Now this is a water-based fisting gel, which is perfect to use in combination with latex condoms and silicone toys. It's slightly thicker, smooth, and is perfect in combination with this sex toy. You can also use a water-based lubricant or an anal-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Of course, make sure to clean the toy after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you may use mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Butter Devil Dog butt plug. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.